It is another Big Brother Naija Gist segment, and I'm here to give you the latest on your housemates. My name is Lucy, and diving right into the gist. The housemates participated in 3 tasks, with the winning teams receiving amazing cash rewards to their collection. The first task was the Yuri task, the second task was the Allah Chef task, and the third task was the Johnny Walker task. Now for the Yuri task, housemates were divided into a group of 3 consisting of 3 rounds. All the teams put their efforts into the task, but Team Identity, consisting of White Money, Liquor Rose, Nini and Cross, emerged as winners, sharing 1 million naira amongst themselves. However, other teams were compensated with 250,000 naira each for coming in the second and third place. Now for the Allah Chef task, housemates participated in cooking tasks involving 3 teams with 2 rounds. At the end of the task, Team Allah Cheese emerged as winners, consisting of Saga, Yusuf, Angel and Sasuke, sharing 1.5 million naira amongst themselves. Following up with the last task, the Johnny Walker task, the housemates were divided into 3 teams with 3 rounds. And at the end of the task, Team Red Label, consisting of Saga, Liquor Rose, Cross and Sasuke, won the task and were rewarded with 2 million naira to be shared amongst themselves. Liquor Rose now remains the housemates with the most winnings, having 8.5 million naira, followed by Cross with 5.4 million naira. Speaking more on tax, Big Brother decided to have a special task up his sleeves and decided to spice things up in the house by giving 2 of the housemates, Saga and Liquor Rose, a secret task. Now this task was for them to pick a fight and avoid their significant other till their next diary session. Liquor Rose immediately accepted the challenge and began to execute her task. But on the other hand, there was Saga, who immediately after his diary session came out to massage Nini's feet, even telling her the secret task Big Brother gave to him. Big Brother said he would reward both housemates with 200 Abeg Naira and 100 BB tokens if they execute the plan perfectly. But unfortunately for Saga, he was out of the task before executing it because apparently Nini has his Momo button in her palms. But Liquor Rose carried out this task even if it hurt her, and at the end of the day, Biggie rewarded not just her but Emmanuel with 250 Abeg Naira, 200 BB tokens and an exclusive dinner for 2 in the executive lounge for 2 hours. Isn't that so sweet of Biggie? Now, sometime after the dinner, Big Brother allowed Liquor Rose to invite 2 housemates and she chose Angel and Cross. Going into the dinner, Cross finally tasted the delicious chicken he so longed for. And that is not just all he tasted. His lips were locked on his bestie, Angel. Now, it was the battle of kisses between both couples. Or should I say, a couple and a bestie, until Big Brother chased them out of the lounge. Next up, we have the Cross and Nini fight. Now, earlier this week, both housemates had an altercation in the bathroom, which led to both parties, especially Nini, hurling insults at Cross. Apparently, the cause of the fight was because Nini was washing the bathroom when the rest of the housemates had not had their baths. Cross said that wasn't a reasonable thing to do, and in the heat of the moment, he asked her if she was stupid. Of course, that was uncalled for, but Nini sparked up upon hearing that, dishing out some rather hurtful words at Cross. Now, after the altercation, Cross was seen in the garden crying, but thankfully Angel was there by his side to comfort him. Cross, after all of that, went to apologize to Nini for his actions, but as it is, Nini says she's not ready to forgive nor apologize to him for her actions. Now, White Money takes sides with Nini, telling Cross he was not supposed to act like that he was supposed to act like a man and apologize to Nini again. Also, White Money made a reference to Nini as being the viewer's choice. I do not know where he got that theory from, but okay. Now, finally on this segment, Nini and Saga get strikes for whispering. Now, this is her first strike ever, but thankfully her significant other has gone through his first strike, so it wouldn't be so hard on him to walk her through this as it is his second strike. Now, they both received a punishment from Big Brother to clean the garden, before Big Brother then played the clips of both housemates when they were talking in hushed tones and even gossiping about Pere the General. Now, even though Pere looked pissed, I still couldn't take him serious with the outfit he had on. And that's all I have for you on the Big Brother Naija Gist segment. Until next time, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.